So next up, guys, got a really nice truck here. I'll go around it to give you a nice 360-degree view, but it's a 2009 MACK CHU613 heavy haul truck here, day cab. It's just really clean, rust-free truck, guys. Came from down south. It's got 24/5 rubber. It's in excellent shape. Dual exhaust. 18-speed Eaton Fuller Transmission. Mack diesel motor. And you'll see the pictures of the interior and everything. Obviously somebody's taking really good care of this truck. Just a nice clean interior. Good looking all the way around. So it does have a headache rack, sliding fifth wheel, dual exhaust, aluminum rims. Got that lift axle. Truck just fires up, runs nice. Pretty nice looking rig. I'll have Mike go ahead, he'll give you a nice demo. And guys, it's got right around 300,000 miles, right around 13,000 hours. You'll have all those pictures in the listing, obviously, but I figured to mention it here. Fires up as soon as you hit the key there. Shifts nice and smooth, guys. Mike will try to get it going just a little bit there. Here we go, but really nice sound motor. 218-inch wheelbase. Goes forward, reverse, everything shifts nice. Just a dang nice truck. So there's the demo, guys, on the 2009 MACK heavy haul. Nice running truck. Good luck, guys. It's auction time. An old 20 auction.